Okay, so when you're folding the blankets, you want it to be long ways, left to right. You put one down because your first buckle is just about, and you want the closed end first. This side, the clean side, not that side. You want the closed end. You want this in the middle. You want to put the buckle so that you can pull it down. So now you take your blankets, make sure they're folded right, and you pull them right together. Make sure they're nice and flat. It's a representation of the company. When people, if you're in a city or someone you're on the street and someone drives by and they see how nice your stack is, you look like you're a professional. It's a reflection on the company. You're always advertising the company. When people walk by and they see you nice, have square tiers, it's a reflection of the work we do. All these straps going this way makes no sense. Those straps should just be to hold the, like the hand trucks, one strap. But all the pads should be strapped like this. And you tie this. You tie it in a knot to shorten it. You tie it in a knot to shorten it. Make sure you have a little tail.
Si lo va a amarrar así, asegúrese que tenga un poco para jalarlo, que no se haga un nudo.
Just always leave like your shoelace. Okay? The tighter you pull it, the tighter this knot gets. So it's called a slip knot. All you do is slip it out. They can't go anywhere. When you do this, make sure you make the stack at least 2 feet in for the rain. When the rain kicks up on the highway, it goes under the door and you'll get all like your bottom bunch of blankets wet. So I do the stack right here. Then you put your material, your shrink wrap over here and stuff like that. And you tie this like this to get it out of the way. You go behind. That's it. That's not how you load a truck, by the way. That's a clean out. We're going to just put that on record.